Is a change in the manufacturing process enough to go circular? Why or why not? So, unfortunately, not. Even if the product come alive during manufacturing, 80% of product environmental impact is defined during the engineering phase. It's during the product development that product performances during ownership are defined. It's during the engineering phase when what is going to be recycled and how it's defined. Hence, it would be complicated to go circular by only changing manufacturing processes. Nevertheless, a change in manufacturing processes would be required to close the circularity loop, being able to recycle, reuse, refurbish, recover some materials and parts to reduce raw material usage. This will probably require the development of new manufacturing processes to disassemble, test, service, recover raw materials that are not part of the current linear production model. As an example, we can consider the paper industry. A few decades ago, paper was produced using trees and not meshed, washed, recovered, recycled paper. The usage of recycled paper is today normal in our day-to-day life. And this has been possible thanks to the evolution of the manufacturing processes. Plastic, metal, and other raw materials had the same history. And this shows us that the manufacturing is evolving and it will keep doing it in the future. The main driver for this evolution has been in the past the cost. But today we assist to an increase, to an acceleration of raw material cost, scarcity of goods, energy cost increase, environmental regulation restriction, and at last but not least, a worldwide geopolitical instability. These drivers will push the next manufacturing process evolutions to be able to reduce production cost, comply with regulation, and reduce resource dependency, with the final consequence of reducing geopolitical worldwide instability. Probably in the next years, by developing products designed to be disassembled, recycled, and reused, we could see line machines that automatically disassemble wasted assets to recover, reuse, refurbish some parts, and not only raw material, that could be still used in a next assembly.